Reporting flood damage to insurers. Review your policy documents and confirm your insurance includes comprehensive flood protection. Document any damage. Capture photographic or video evidence and retain proof of ownership. Safely dispose of any hazardous materials, ensuring all discarded items are documented. Report the claim to your insurer or broker at the earliest opportunity. Verify the loss adjuster's credentials and seek guidance before appointing contractors. Submit estimates for approval and review settlement offers with professional advice.